Hi guys, welcome to my trades today. And today is such an awesome day. I got a couple of trades that came by, which are deep in the money, and then I got some that have kicked us out as well. So I've got the GBPCAD with me today. I've got the AUDJPY that we took yesterday. I got the GBPCAD that we took yesterday. I got some gold action as well that we took on Monday, and then finally we've been kicked out of the USD, which was a long buy signal that we had for almost over a week now, and we managed to come out with about 600 to 700 pips on this trade, right? Very low risk, and it was a trend trade as well. Our entry was just there, and it started going up and up and up until now. So that's what's up. Thank you, USDs. On our gold situation, if you guys watched the last video yesterday, we were going short with gold. Why? Market sentiment open negative from Friday going into Sunday, Monday. So we know we're looking for sell opportunities, right? So selling this, and it was for gold, it was the high of the year as well. So selling this gave us some good money. It went all the way down to about 1,500 pips, and right now we are sitting steady on a 850 pips per se, and then we've looked in our profits already at around 750 pips. As you can see, the stop loss is right there. So we've got a 750 guaranteed pip run here going on, compared to our yesterday's 350 that we had in our bank. So gold is doing very well for us. Market sentiment opened negative for both days, and price fell very hard. So this is good, and this is very big for gold as well, right? And then next up we had GBPCAD. GBPCAD was a yesterday trade. We wanted to go with the trend, right? We saw it started heading lower, so we wanted to find a nice opportunity to jump in and take it. So on Sunday, market sentiment opened negative, so there's been a nice sell opportunity as well, but we did not get it on Sunday there. And then only yesterday was a nice the market sentiment opened negative as well. So we know we're looking for short opportunities as well from Monday into a Tuesday. So I did not get it at the day opening, but I managed to wait for a pullback. So I know that, okay, if it's going to go down, I'm expecting a stop and high, and then continue with the trend. So that was my entry here. This was a nice entry here. Just went to try to take day opening, anything closer to day opening, and then from there to now we're sitting on around 140 pips, right? This is GBPCAD. It's a sell signal. It's a trend trade. We jumped in on this action, and this has been very good. So market sentiment opens negative, and we are going down. We're looking for short opportunities, and we are selling, right? So one thing I like about this as well is that if it's a case of being stopped out, most of the times you can break even, because whenever we catch it, it's like I say, we're either diverging or in the trend. So the market has to move your way, for even if it's just a couple of pips, allowing you to move your stop loss to break even, and then just let the market run, right? Let whatever happens from there, right? So nice trend trade. GBPCAD, nice 140 pips. That's what's up. So yesterday, at the end of our video, we managed to jump in this action. So this is the AUDJPY. We managed to buy it yesterday because market sentiment opened positive, right? Market sentiment opened positive yesterday. We did not catch the divergence part of it, but we wanted to catch it in the trend, right? So we were about 6 pips late because we wanted to catch it here. And always remember, guys, our entries are at the end of the hour signal, right? Our entries are always at the end of the hour signal. We don't take a trade in the middle of the candle, right? So this trade, I managed to take it. I think it was at the end of this candle or that candle, but then it was just 6 pips. So I jumped in. So right now, it went a bit out of the money, just for about almost 29 pips. Our stop loss is usually 30 to 35 pips, and then right now it's just sitting on around 40 pips, right? Which is very good for a AUDJPY and for a buy signal. Market sentiment opened positive today, so we're still holding on, looking for buy opportunities, right? Same applies with EURJPY as well. if you can check it out, we got market sentiment opening positive today. It's got a yen as well, and then price shifted from day opening to go up all the way. So this would have been a nice entry at the end of the first signal candle. Right now we'll be chilling in 100 pips as well. This is the AUDJPY, but we did not get this because we already had the AUDJPY, the GBPCAD, and we're still in some gold action, and also we managed to get some GBPCHF action. So as you can see, this is a bit different because I just took it in the middle of the hoods, right? In the middle of the hoods, there is, as in, it was just red candles going down and it's in between there. Why is this so? I had 2 trades here running on this one. As you can see, guys, market sentiment open negative today, so we're looking for short opportunities. So my first trade was in here, it collected at 50 pips and it was out, and then the next trade I added my position on this point, right, to further go down with it because I was sure now that it's about to break this price. So I went down with it further, and then now I am sitting on about almost 50 pips, let's just say 45 pips. So I got a 45 pip run here on GBPCHF. I got a 40 pip run on AUDJPY, which is 80 pips on both of them. I got 140 pips right on a GBPCAD, which makes it now 220 pips on my 3 trades, and then to add on to the gold, right, which has a stop loss of 750 pips, right. We left money on the table actually on this trade, but we've made money. That's the most important part. So I've got a 750 guaranteed. Right now it's just chilling on 800 pips, but I've got a 750 here. I've got a 220 on these other 3 trades running, so which makes it a total of about just over 900 pips for this week only, right. We're doing the same thing over and over again. We're going with the trend, or we're catching divergence, right. And then finally USD kicked us out. It went on to touch our stop there, and we were up over 600 pips. It was another trend trade that we had been holding for a couple of days. So same concept, guys, over and over and over again. We're going with the trend, or we are diverging, right. We're going with the trend, or we're diverging. This was a nice situation today on the USD as well. We could have sold it here. Market sentiment open negative. We know we're looking for short opportunities. That would have been a nice 100 pips by now already. So same concept, markets are repetitive. We'll be doing the same thing over and over and over again. So shout out to gold for doing good. GBPCAD as well, same concept, we're going down. AUDJPY, same concept, it was going up. AUDJPY that we are in, same concept, it's going up. Market sentiment positive. That's what's up. Tight stop loss. As soon as you're in the money, move your stop loss to break even, or move it in the money, better yet, right, and then just go out of the trade. So thank you, guys. Please forward my videos to any hardworking trader that you know out there who's really looking to progress their trading as well. So thank you for watching my videos, and have an awesome Wednesday. Goodbye.